Never.
We'll see how this goes. I want to start with the 4th of July because, we're getting very close, and obviously a lot of folks are making plans because you're going to have an extended weekend. Some of you have already kick-started a little vacation. I want to look ahead, though, to next week. So Friday is the 4th. Saturday, Sunday, highs are going to be in the upper 90s. It's very typical North Texas weather. Yes, it's a little bit hotter than normal. It's going to be a little bit on the humid side, but I don't have rain in the forecast. So, festivities should be totally fine, minus the fact that it's going to be hot. We are dry tonight. It's partly cloudy. We have some rain in the forecast, which is actually a welcome thing at this point. We've really chipped away at our beautiful surplus that we had for the year. We're starting to lose that. We're very close to a deficit. I suspect we're going to be at a yearly rainfall deficit when we get into the first week of July. And as we take a look here, Monday and Tuesday we'll have a scattering of showers and storms. Wednesday, a very low chance, mainly northeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And as we take a look at timecast, I can show you what that looks like. As we get into Monday afternoon, we'll watch for some thunderstorms, some rain up in Oklahoma. Cross the Red River, you see how we have a scattering of showers and storms Monday afternoon, Monday evening. This is 7 p.m. Then we get into Tuesday. Start off dry, maybe a little shower, thunderstorm activity in the afternoon and evening, and then it kind of fizzles out. No day by any stretch of the imagination is a washout. Not everyone's going to see rain Monday. Not everyone's going to see rain Tuesday. And as we get into Wednesday, the rain chance is lower, but a little bit higher to the northeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and we're not expecting severe weather. This time of the year, you can never rule out a thunderstorm producing some pea-sized hail or some gusty winds, but we're not expecting severe weather. When I say severe weather, I mean quarter-size hail or larger, 60-mile-per-hour winds or stronger. That is not in the forecast. Okay, so just some heavy rain scattered around the area, maybe some pea-sized hail and some 30 to 40-mile-an-hour winds. It would feel nice. It would cool us down temporarily because highs, enjoy this. The next 5 days, not terrible. The normal high this time of year is 94, so when you see 92, it's pretty good. 94 Wednesday, 95 Thursday, you factor in humidity, it'll feel about 100 degrees. That's really kind of the next 5 days. High temperatures in the mid-90s with heat index values around 100. One more thing, Saharan dust, that is going to be back in the picture for the middle of next week. I think a lot of this is going to stay into Louisiana, southeast Texas, and east Texas, but we'll have a plume of this Tuesday, Wednesday. You might notice a bit of haze in the sky as we get into the middle part of the week. Reduces air quality, makes for some interesting sunrises and sunsets. That will be around through about Wednesday, then it kind of moves out going into Wednesday evening, and then certainly by Thursday. That's it. Talking about dust. Must be summer. 77 degrees tonight. Warm and muggy with light winds tomorrow, 96. Mostly sunny skies. Hot and humid. Heat index of 101. South winds 10 to 20. 14-day forecast. First 7. No surprises. Minimal rain chances. Highs around the middle and upper 90s as we get into the 4th of July. And then, ready? Boom! 100 degrees.
Boom.
Boom goes the dynamite.
Like a firework.
Boom goes the dynamite. You remember that, Michelle?